Hi everyone, this video is going to let you know what all courses are there after plus 2, that means inter. This book consists of all stream courses very clearly, but this video is particularly for the BPC students. So, to make a video on other streams, comment and let me know. Coming to the book, this book has 100 options to choose every stream, but we are going for the BPC stream today in this video. So here are the fitness, health and medicine courses are there. See, these many streams are there for the BPC students to choose after 12th. Ayurveda doctor, bioinformatics scientist, dentist, doctor, general practitioner, fitness trainer, forensic scientist. There are many courses. So let's go and see what are all entrance exams to be written for these courses and what are ways to go for these courses. Let's go. See, this is the fitness, health and medicine introduction part. So here we start with the introduction. So Ayurvedic doctor. An Ayurvedic doctor examines a patient holistically and recommends treatment that usually includes Ayurvedic medicine, dietary and other lifestyle changes. So here is some points like what do they do, key skills, education pathway, career growth, companies that currently recruit. So all you should know about is education pathway. If you are interested in the Ayurvedic doctor, you can go subjects, entrance exams, pre-Ayurvedic, graduate, BMS plus internship, post-graduation, MDMS. So this is the main thing you should know. You have to write this entrance exam to go for the Ayurvedic doctor. Mostly the students of BPC, they think only MBBS is the source to become a doctor, but no, there are many courses which you can become a great doctor. Bioinformatics scientist. In bioinformatics scientist also, scientists students analyze genomic and other cellular information to create software for various applications such as drug discovery, protein interactions and treatment methods. So in every course there is no need to know what all skills and all, but you should know what it is and how to enter in that pathway. Here entrance exam, university specific, graduate ME BTech, postgraduate MS MTech. So career growth in this stream is like programmer, analyst or scientist you may become, or senior scientist and engineer. So there are 4 levels like project, product manager or director also. Companies that can currently recruit you are those Optimum Biosolutions and Molecular Connections and Strand Life Sciences. So these are the 4. A dentist provides surgical, medical and other treatment for oral and dental disorders by examining the teeth and mouth of patients. What do they do? Key skills, but where we have to focus on the entrance exams. To enter the dentist, you all may know what are the dentist. It's a dental doctor, and entrance exam for this to become a dental doctor, AIPMT NEET. You may write NEET or AIPMT. Graduate in Bachelor of Dental Science, post graduation Master of Dental Science. After you become a dentist, you will have a career growth like general dentist, specialist dentist, head of the dental department. It depends on your talent, and these companies which can take you is Indian Dental Association, Apollo White Dental, Dental Council of India, Narayana Hrudayalaya Dental Clinic. So you have a nice career in this dentist also. You can go for the entrance exam called NEET and APMT. So let's go for the other codes. So doctor, general practitioner. Doctors diagnose and treat medical conditions, illness and diseases through application of specialized medical skills and knowledge. A general physician or a practitioner is the first person whom patients will see when they fall ill. So what do they do? Skills. And first thing is like education pathway is like NEET, AIM, AIP, MT. Graduate, MBBS, postgraduate, MD, MS, super special, DM, MCH. So career growth is general practitioner and chief medical officer. Hospitals, colleges that currently recruit: Apollo Hospitals, Fortis Hospitals, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Armed Forces Medical College, Madras Medical College, Crystal Medical College. So this is a fitness trainer. The fitness trainer directs and supervises people as they can achieve their fitness goals. So what do they do? Analyze the client body mass index and fat percentage and guide the client through a routine of diet, workouts to bring down body weight, mass or fat percentage. I have read this for you because there is no entrance exam for this fitness trainer. Should be so fit in the physically. So for that you have to do graduate in the physical education, certificate in the diploma in fitness training. If you have this education, then you can career growth in this is junior, senior, head trainer. Companies that can currently recruit are the fitness clubs, Talwalkars, Fitness First, Gold's Gym, hotels and resorts, Taj, Oberoi, ITC. To obtain these big companies, you have to work hard towards your physical growth, and also you have to maintain this fitness in yourself. Coming to this forensic scientist introduction. Forensic scientists provide impartial scientific evidence for the use in the courts of law, support the professions or the defense in the criminal and civil investigations. Forensic scientists gather physical evidence where incidents of civil or criminal misconduct have occurred. Forensic science is also having a huge career options. This is also very beneficial course. For this forensic scientist, you have to write entrance exam like AIP, MP, NEET. Graduation in the physical, biological science, MBBS. Post-graduation forensic scientist, MD, forensic medicine. The growth in the forensic sciences, forensic scientist, forensic officer, chief forensic officer, reporting officer, senior forensic officer. Companies can recruit are these all: CBI, IB, RAW, IFS, state police investigation teams. So let's go for the next course. This is the genetics. Introduction. Genetics to find out how genetic characters are transmitted from one generation to the next, identifying and manipulating particular genes in the plant, animal, and human tissue samples. So to become a genetist, you have to write there is no entrance exam to write. So graduation in genetic life sciences, post graduation in Masters of Science, MSc in genetics. So you have to choose degree for this genetics, and you can become a genetist. So growth in genetist is junior research fellow, senior research fellows, research associate, and scientist, chief scientist, research director. Companies can take you as pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, life sciences, research institutes. So let's go for medical scientist. In this, medical scientist conducts laboratory tests on various organisms to obtain information for diagnosing, treating, and preventing diseases. So there is no entrance exam for this, and graduation in BSc Biology, Medical Health, post-graduation in MSc, PhD, Biological Sciences. You have to do degree for this. Also, the career growth will be graduate scientist, doctor scientist, resident scientist, fellow scientist, academic, government, industry, research scientist. Companies are trained currently recruit novelists. So let's go for the other course. Microbiologist. For this microbiologist also you have to write the entrance exam called university specific. So like you should have a university, in which university you are going to do microbiology, there should be a subject. And also you have to do degree for this microbiology. You have to take subject called microbiology in the degree. In degree you have to take microbiology subject to become a microbiologist. The graduation for this is BSc Life Science Microbiology. Post graduation MSc PhD. MPHIL. Career growth. Trainee project assistant, scientific data analyst, project manager, chief scientist, research director. Companies that can currently recruit: Parimal Life Sciences, Optimum Biosolutions Limited, Blueprint Pharmaceuticals, Biocon, Bharat Biotech, GVK Biosciences, Private Limited, Reliance Life Sciences. There are many opportunities for the biologist, and also there are many opportunities for the microbiologist. This is also a nice course. So next topic, going for the nurse. Nurse is a healthcare professional trained to take care of people who are sick, injured, assisting them with regular activities till they attain optimal health. So here are the entrance exams, university specific. So this is also, you should do nursing to become a nurse, graduate BSc nursing, postgraduate MSc nursing. So these are all the career growth and companies that can currently recruit. Hospitals across the country and the world: Apollo, Fortis, Columbia, Asia, etc. AIMS. So this is a nutritionist and dietitian. Nutritionists are qualified experts of nutrition science. Their works towards educating and counseling patients, helping them make informed and practical decisions about their food and lifestyles. To become a nutritionist, you have to go for the BE and BSc in Home Science BTech. There's no need for the entrance exams. Also post-graduation in MSc, PG, Diploma, Nutrition, Dietetics. So career growth and companies that can currently recruit: Apollo, Amor, British Biologicals, Talwakers, Sports Authority of India, UNICEF. Going for paramedics. So in paramedics, it is healthcare professional predominantly in the peri-hospital and out of the hospital environment, and working mainly as a part of emergency medical services, EMS, such as an ambulance. So for this you have to write the entrance exam EMS, emergency medical treatment. So graduation in BSc Health Science EMS, post graduation in MSc Paramedical Science EMS. Companies that can currently recruit: Fortis, Apollo, Columbia, Asia, etc. These are major companies mentioned in this all the courses. Pharmacist is trained in the safe and effective usage of medicine and provides expert advice on the use and supply of drugs, medicines. So there is no right to an entrance exam. You can directly go for the graduation. B Pharma. Physiotherapist. A physiotherapist diagnoses and treats physical symptoms like limited loss of movement caused by the injury, aging, disability, or some other health conditions. So for physiotherapist, there is no need to write any entrance exam. You can go directly to Bachelor of Physiotherapy. So graduation in Bachelor of Physiotherapy, postgraduate Master of Physiotherapy, career growth: Junior Physiotherapist, Senior Physiotherapist, Principal Physiotherapist, Head of Physiotherapy. This is a veterinarian, and this veterinarian doctor, you have to diagnose, treat, and research medical conditions and diseases of domestic livestock and other animals. You can treat animals here. To become an animal doctor, you have to write entrance exam for veterinary science, graduate in BVSc, post-graduation MSc, MBSc. So career growth is so we are going for yoga trainer. Yoga is there since 5,000 years old. It is very beneficial for everyone. So here the graduation for BA yoga and training on job and certificate for advanced yoga, career growth and companies that can currently require. Yeah, here we conclude with this video. I hope you all got somehow clarity on BPC stream, which course to be taken. Don't worry, don't go for long terms, waste your time. You can go for other streams. There are many other groups which gives you benefit, and also they have nice career in them. Also, comment and let me know on which stream should I make other video to know more career. I hope you like this video, and this video has so much content. If you are in inter second year or your friends might be in inter second year, share them. Let them know best careers in BPC background in any stream. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.